Hello hackers. I am back. In this video we will talk about how to create remote key loggers with rgger tool. First open this link. It's provided in description also. Then go to rgger tool repository and clone it into your machine. Set thost to your IP and tport to a port on which you will have to listen for connections. Set o file to whatever named file you want to give your remote key logger payload. Now type generate to generate the payload. I just ran the payload on another PC and as you can see it's capturing all the keys. So with this kind of payloads you can try capturing some important credentials which your target is typing.